In this video, I am going to create this MIC29302 schematic symbol. So, creating a schematic symbol in one part is called homogeneous library creation. So, there are two types of schematic symbol. One is heterogeneous and one is homogeneous. So, in heterogeneous, we can divide schematic symbol into 2, 3, 4, 5 units or more than that as per requirement. When our ICs has uh, high density of pin like 300, 200. So in that case, to optimize the schematic, we have to optimize the schematic symbol. So in that case, we have to design a schematic symbol in heterogeneous configuration. In one of my video, I have already uh, shown how to create that heterogeneous part. In this video, I'm going to create homogeneous part. So that means there will be only one schematic symbol. So for that, I'm going to design this MIC29302W. Um, Before that, I want to show you how I'm managing my kicad library. So I have this transistor, resistor, passive module, miscellaneous ICs, connector, capacitor. So let's say I'm designing that MIC29302. I'm creating that schematic symbol. So when I'll save that schematic symbol in this folder, and it has also a step file folder and then pretty folder where I have my entire footprints. So this is the one way to manage kicad library for our personal projects. So I have already added this part MIC29302WU by going to the file, create, and clicking on this new symbol. So or we can simply click here, or we can do right click and new symbol. So I've already added this part. So let's say new symbol, give your name, symbol name. So in this here I have this manufacturer part number, so I'll copy it and then I'll add here, then designator, and then I'll press OK. So I've already added that, so I'm not going to add again. I'm not going to create that duplicate part again because the component is already created here. So I'm designing this schematic symbol from this Quactel hardware design guide, and when I open the data set, so schematic symbol looks like this, but we have to use this part in the schematic design. So I will follow the hardware design guideline of this Quactel. So what pin is missing? 2453 and 1 is enable. So press P and then enable and then pin 1 and then press R to rotate and then cancel, place rectangle, click on it, cancel, double click on it, fill with body background color. Okay, it is done. We can also go here to symbol properties and add all these details. So what details is required? So we have to add those details um, from which we can create our BOM easily, because BOM has some parameter section in the column, so we do not want to add unwanted material in this field. So we'll only add this required details, required parameters, so that BOM will have the same content from this field. So what I'm going to add is a value which I have copied this manufacturer part number. When you will bring our mouse here, we can see copy, click on it, it will get copied, and then just press here, it will just copy here. Same we can do for dataset. Click copy, control C, and then you can paste here. So manufacturer part name, manufacturer name, supplier, we can add digikey, supplier part number, we can copy this digikey part number. If we are designing, if we are copying it from element 14 or Mauser or anywhere, any online vendor, we can name that supplier, we can copy that supplier here and supplier part number here. The symbol name same as the manufacturer part number, then description we can copy it from here, and then keyword we can add the manufacturer part number of this device, and then press OK, then save. Now when I will save it, see, when I will click on it, it will become light blue, that means it is selected, right? So then we can also save here. Okay, so that it is selected, right? It is light blue, that means it is selected. We can save it, and we can go here to our IC folder, and this we can see it is saved, file is saved, but we cannot see that schematic symbol that we have created, right? There is no schematic symbol. So what we have to do is um, we have to right click and then import this symbol, and then here. So first, before that, we'll copy the name, go to the symbol properties, then symbol name we can copy it from here, then cancel, then right click, then import symbol, then I'll move to this folder again, then file name, it has to be export. I'm sorry for that, I just clicked on import, but it has to be export. So copy it here and then save it. So we have two options here, global or project. So we can save it for project, we can save it for global. So I'm just saving it for project. Save it. Now we can see our schematic symbol. So the thing is, uh, why it is required. Let's say when something happened to your software when you are updating your software, or when you want to transfer those files, then in that case you might lost some data of it, so it is better to have backup. So when we'll have this folder, we can make a zip of it and send to that respective system or to any person. And what he or she will do is they can go to preferences, then configure part, then they can add that, they can browse that location here by naming this library name, let's say integrated circuit, and browsing the file from here, then press OK, right? And then manage symbol libraries, they can add the same file here, IC, and then browse the file again, right? And then press OK. So after doing that, they will find they will actually migrate those entire library here to this menu. Okay, so in this way, they will not lost the entire data. They will have their own library. They can use this library again in other system, or if they are updating their software, so their file will be saved and they can use in their respective projects. So hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.